Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2019. Happy Tuesday. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you'll make today. You may be seated. Today we have 3 kinder birthdays: Jair Mario, Jafet Oriana, and Hannah Salinas. Happy birthday. Make sure you stop by my office and get your special birthday gift. For value and culture focus this week, for today, we are focusing on Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. So think about what that means to you when you own your own learning. If you don't understand something, but no one else is asking a question, that's okay. You need to make sure you're owning your learning by raising your hands and getting clarification from your teacher. Also, we're focusing on idea 30. After dining in the cafeteria or elsewhere, be responsible for your trash. This is a big deal. You guys look underneath the tables when you're in lunch. Make sure that nothing's underneath the table and nothing you're leaving behind when you actually grab your backpack to line up. Also, some announcements. Besides always having your ID, we really are pushing for you guys to double check your uniforms. So, make sure you take time right now, look at your uniform. If you have a non-idea jacket on, make sure you look at the bottom left corner and look at this idea jacket. That's the one that you can wear. Okay, we also have idea blue fleece, but besides those two, put whatever else you're wearing in your backpack. If you need to talk to your family about purchasing one of the idea jackets while it gets cold, then you need to do that today. Other than that, check your shoes. They should be mostly black. Check your pants. They should be black or khaki. You should have a black belt, and your blue polo should be tucked in. Sometimes you run around outside at recess or at PE, and your shirt may come untucked. That's fine. But when you walk back in, make sure before you even enter the door that you are tucking it back in. Some of you already had your social emotional lesson for this week on mindfulness and breathing techniques. This is a really good way for your entire life to deal with when you're feeling stressed out or upset, to take that deep breath and hold it in and then breathing it out slowly. It really puts your brain at ease and helps you make a calmer decision. Today, we have 3rd and 4th grade taking their mid-module exams. Good luck, 3rd and 4th grade. You guys are going to rock your tests. Also, make sure you guys are in school every single day because we really want you to be successful. And if you miss one day, you may miss part of the review for that test. Also, we had 19 scholars out. I should say this one is supposed to be, I'm changing it right now, out on Monday, which means we only had 97.2% attendance, so we didn't meet our goal again of 97.5. There were 19 of you guys out. We really have to make sure 100% of us are here. Also, you get a special prize if 100% of your class comes to school that day. And we messed up. I am sorry. We forgot about the prizes from last week, so we are actually walking around during homeroom, and we will give those prizes on the cart to those who deserve them. Also, vocabulary word of the day. So this word is ambition. The word ambition means a strong desire to do or achieve something, typically requiring determination and hard work. This sounds like an IDEA student to me. So an example of this would be her ambition was to be a pilot. Sometimes you guys use describing words to adjectives to describe someone, and you'll say, oh, he's ambitious or she's ambitious. This is usually a compliment that means you're determined and you're hardworking. All right, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember, that choice is all yours. Have a happy, happy Tuesday. Also, Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we really love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes to dojo and call parents of the students that are out. And please remember to text the ADA GroupMe message to Zaira Perez to make sure that she is accounted for all the students that may not be in your classroom right now, so we can work on getting that perfect attendance. Again, have an amazing Tuesday. See you guys around the hallways.